In this video, we will do exercise 14.3 of chapter Factorization Standard 8. Let us start exercise 14.3. Carry out the following division. Now here 28x raised to the power 4 divided by 56x. Now this 28x raised to the power 4 should be divided by 56x. Now first we will find the LCM of 28, that is 2 14s are 2 7s are 7 1s are. Write it over here. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. X raised to the power 4 means you have to multiply x 4 times, x into x into x into x. Then find the LCM of 56, that is 2 20s are 2 14s are 2 7s are 7 1s are. Write it over here. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 and 1 times 7, multiply by this x. Now see, whatever is possible to cancel, you cancel it. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, this 7 and 7 will get cancelled, and this 1 x and x will get cancelled. Now what is left? Now here x into x into x is left in numerator and 2 is left in denominator. So write down 1 multiplied by x into x into x, that is x cube upon 2, or you can write x cube upon 2, or you can write half x cube. Now the next one is negative 36y cube divided by y x raised to the power 2. So find out the LCM of 36, that is 2 18s are 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Write it over here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Write it over here. See what I did, I had separated this negative 36 into positive by multiplying this negative 1 to it. So what I did, I just multiplied this negative 1 and rest of the thing in positive. Then divided by 9 y square means 3 into 3. In place of 9, write down 3 into 3 multiply by y into y. Now see, whatever is possible to cancel, cancel it. 3 and 3 will get cancelled, 3 and 3, y and y and y and 1. What is left? 2 2s are 4, y means 2 2s are 4, multiply by this negative 1, and in denominator nothing is left. So whenever this 4 multiply by negative 1, then it become negative 4y. Now the next one, 66p q square r cube divided by 11q r square. So you have to divide this 66p q square r cube by 11q r square. So find out the LCM of 66. That is 2 33s are 3 11s are 11 1s are. 2 into 3 into 11, 2 into 3 into 11 into p into q square means q into q, r cube means r into r into r, divided by 11. 11 is a prime number, multiply by q, multiply by r square means r into r. See what is possible to cancel? 11 11, then q and q, then r and r, then r and r. Then what is left? 2 3s are 6, 6 p q r. So write it over here, p q r. Let us see the next one. 34x cube y cube z cube divided by 51x y square z cube. Now see here, 34 is a multiple of 2 into 17, that is 2 17s are. Write down this x 3 times, x into x into x. Write down this y 3 times, y into y into y. Write down this z 3 times, z into z into z. Divided by 51 means 3 17s are. Into x, y square means y into y, z cube means z into z into z. Then see what is possible to cancel. This 17 and 17 will get cancelled. Then x and x, then y and y, then y and y, then z, then z and z will get cancelled. Then what is left in numerator? 2 into x into y, that means 2 into x into x into y means 2x square y, divided by what is left in denominator? 3 and nothing else. So 3 into 1, that is 3. So you can write your answer as 2x square y upon 3, or 2/3 x square y. Now the next one is 12a raised to the power 8 b raised to the power 8 divided by negative 6 a raised to the power 6 b raised to the power 4. So 12 means in place of 12, write down the factor of 12, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. All prime numbers should be over here, and 8 raised to the power a raised to the power 8 and b raised to the power 8. Here I had not written a 8 time and b 8 time. Next step, see here also I had written the factor of negative 6, that is negative 1 into negative 2, that is negative 1 into 2 into 3, that is 2 3s are 6, and 6 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 6. Then I had written a raised to the power 6 and b raised to the power 4. Then what I will do, I will cancel whatever is possible to cancel. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and 3 and 3 will get cancelled. What is left? 2 a raised to the power 8 and b raised to the power b raised to the power 8 divided by negative 1 into a raised to the power 6 multiplied by b raised to the power 4. Then what we will do, see what I will do, I will take this 6 in numerator. So while taking the positive 6 in numerator, so it will get negative. So 8 minus 6. See here, and I will take this 4 in numerator. So here the positive 4 will become negative 4, that is 8 minus 4. Now here in denominator what is left? Only minus 1 is left. Then subtract the power, as per the rule, as we all know, that 2 into a raised to the power 8 minus 6 gives a raised to the power 2, and b raised to the power 8 minus 4 gives b raised to the power 4 divided by negative 1. Means whenever any digit is divided by negative, its value is always in negative. That is 2a square b4 will become negative 2a raised to the power 2 b raised to the power 4. Divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. Now polynomial should be divided by monomial. So write down first, that is 5x raised to the power 2 minus 6x divided by 3x. Now here, if anything is possible to find common here, so take it out, that is x is common. So if I take that x as common, so what will left inside the bracket? 5x minus 6 divided by 3. Now what is possible to cancel? This x and x is possible to cancel. So cancel this x and x. So now what is left? 5x minus 6 upon 3. Now the next one, 3y raised to the power 8 minus 4y raised to the power 6 plus 5y raised to the power 4 divided by y raised to the power 4. Now here, if I observe from this polynomial, y raised to the power, that is the highest common factor is y raised to the power 4 is common. So if I'll take y raised to the power 4 as common, so what will left inside the bracket? 3 y raised to the power 4. Means from y raised to the power 8, if I take y raised to the power 4, so y raised to the power 4 will left inside the bracket. Then from 4y raised to the power 6, if I take out y raised to the power 4, so minus 4y raised to the power 2 will left inside the bracket. And from 5y raised to the power 4, if I take y raised to the power 4 outside, so inside the bracket 5 will left. Now divided by y raised to the power 4. Now if I see y raised to the power 4 is possible to cancel it, and at the end what will left? 3y raised to the power 4 minus 4y raised to the power 2 plus 5 will left. Now the next one, 8 in bracket multiply by x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube divided by 4 x square y square z square. Now if I see, if you multiply all the term inside the bracket with 8, you will get 8x cube y square z square, 8x square y cube z square plus 8x square y square z cube divided by 4x square y square z square. Then see what you all will do. Now in next step, I had written this value in division form. Then again I had taken this 8 as a common, and whatever is left I had written inside the bracket divided by 4x square y square z square. Then in the next step, what I did, I had written the factor of 8, that is 2 4s are 8 divided by whatever is left inside the bracket as it is, and divided by 4 into x square y square z square as it is. Then 4 and 4 will get cancelled. Then what is left? 2. Then in the next step, I had taken out this highest common factor, that is x square in all, then y square in all, and z square from all. And what is left inside the bracket? From x cube y square z square, if I had taken x square y square z square, so from x cube x is left, and from here from y cube y is left, and from z cube z is left, and in denominator x square y square z square is left. And see whatever is possible to cancel, this x square y square and z square possible to cancel, and finally what is left? 2 into x plus y plus z is left. Now the next is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x divided by 2x. Now here if I see x is common, highest common factor in all x, I had taken this x as common, and inside the bracket x square plus 2x. From x square if I had taken x, so 2x will left. Then from 3x if I had taken x as common, so 3 will left. Then divided by 2 into x and x possible to cancel. The final answer is x square plus 2x plus 3 divided by 2, or you can write half in bracket x square plus 2x plus 3. Now the next is p cube q raised to the power 6 minus p raised to the power 6 into q raised to the power 3 divided by p raised to the power 3 q raised to the power 3. Now if I see from this, highest common factor is p cube and q cube. So if I take p cube and q cube as a common, so inside the bracket, from if I had taken p cube q cube. So from q raised to the power 6 only q cube will left, and from here p raised to the power 6 and q raised to the power 3. If I had taken p cube q cube, so from p raised to the power 6 only p cube will left, because q cube already taken as a common. Now divided by p cube q cube, if you see, this is possible to cancel, it, and what is left? Q cube minus p cube. Now question number 3rd, work out the following divisor. Now 10x minus 25 divided by 5. Now see, if I take a common as a 5, yeah, so what will left inside the bracket? 2x minus 5 divided by 5. So here 5 and 5 is possible to cancel, so what is left? 2x minus 5. Now the next is 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So here also, if I take 5 as a highest common factor, the 5, so inside the bracket 2x minus 5 and divided by 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5 will get cancelled, so here 5 is left. Both sums are similar, only here denominator is 5 and here denominator is 2x minus 5. Now the next sum is 10y in bracket 6x plus 21 divided by 5 in bracket 2y plus 7. So when 10y in bracket 6y plus 21 divided by 5 in bracket 2y plus 7. Now here if I see, I had written the factor of 10y, that is 2 into 5 into y, and here 5 2y plus 7. Then see, whatever is possible to cancel. See here I had taken 3 as a highest common factor, and inside the bracket 2y plus 7 will left. Now divided by 5 into 2y plus 7, here 2y plus 7 will get cancelled, and 5 and 5 will get cancelled, that is 2 into y into 3. 2 into y into 3 gives 6y. Now the next one is 9x square y square in bracket 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy in bracket z minus 8. Now if you see, write on the factor of 9x square y square, that is 3 into 3 into x into x into y into y, and from this if I take 3 as a common, that is inside the bracket z minus 8 will remain, divided by, write on the factor of 27xy, that is 3 into 3 into 3 x into y, z minus 8 in bracket. See, 3 and 3 will get cancelled, 3 and 3 will get cancelled, then this 3 and 3 will get cancelled, x and x will get cancelled, y and y will get cancelled. What is left? X and y, and z minus 8 also will get cancelled, only x and y left, so that is x into y gives xy. Next sum is 96 ABC in bracket 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30 divided by 144 a minus 4 in bracket b minus 6 in another bracket. Now write on the factor of 96, that is when you will find the LCM of 96, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 3 is the 96, a into b into c. Then from this take out the 3 as a common, so if you will take a 3 as a common, so inside the bracket a minus 4. Then from this if you take 5 as a common, so inside the bracket b minus 6 will remain, divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 9s are, that is 16 9s are 144 into a minus 4 and b minus 6. That is a minus 4 will get cancelled, b minus 6 will get cancelled, then 3 and 3 will get cancelled. See, this 3 and 3, then 3 and 3, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. The only 1 2 is left, so write on 1 2, and here a into b into c is left, and here 5 is left. So your answer will be 2 5s are 10, a b c. Now question number 4, divide as directed. Now 5 in bracket 2x plus 1 in bracket 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. Now when we will divide that 5, 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 5 by 2x plus 1, the 2x plus 1 will get cancelled, and what is left? 5 into 3x plus 5. Now the next sum is 26xy in bracket x plus 5 y minus z divided by 13x y minus 4. So from this find out the factor of 26xy, that is 2 into 13 into x into y divided by 13 into x, and rest of the terms as it is, that is x plus 5 into y minus 4 divided by y minus 4. Y minus 4 will get cancelled, and 13 and x will get cancelled. What is left? 2y x plus 5. Now the next is if you see here 52 pqr p plus q in bracket q plus r in bracket r plus p divided by 104 pq in bracket q plus r in bracket r plus p. If you see, find out, see here, write on the factor, that is 52 into p into factor form 52 into p into q into r, and p plus q q plus r plus p divided by 104 p into q, r plus q plus r in bracket, r plus p in bracket. If you see, q plus r will get cancelled, r plus p will get cancelled, and here as we all know that 52 2s are 104, so 52 2s are, and p and q will get cancelled, and finally what is left is r and p plus q divided by 2, that is 52 2s are 104, that is r in bracket p plus q upon 2, or you can write half r p plus q. Now the next is 20 y plus 4 in bracket y square plus 5y plus 3 divided by 5 y plus 4. So if you see, in place of 20 you can write 4 5s are 20, and if you see y plus 4 divided by y plus 4 will get cancelled, and this 5 and 5 will get cancelled, and rest of the thing, that is 4 into y square plus 5y plus 3 will remain. Now the next one is x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 divided by x plus 1. So if you see, x plus 1 will get cancelled. What is left? X plus 2 and x plus 3 will left. Factorize the expression and divide them as directed. That is y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. Now first we will factorize. See here it is possible to factorize, means we will split the middle term. For that we have to find the factors of first term into last term. That is, first term into last term is 10y square. Then if you find the factor of 10 is 2 5s, and that is 5 plus 2 is 7. So in place of 7 we will write 5y plus 2y, that is y square plus 5y plus 2y plus 10, and from now make a pair of 2, that is first two term and last two term, that is now y square plus 5y, from that y is common, and inside the bracket y plus 5 will left. Now the 2y plus 10, that is 2 is common, that y plus 5 will left, that is 5 2 5s are 10. Now both the bracket have same term, that is write down in one bracket, that is y plus 5, and uncommon term, that is y plus 2, write down in another bracket. So that means now see, factorize value of this, that is y square plus 7y plus 10 is y plus 5 into y plus 2. Write it over here and divided by y plus 5. Now what is possible to cancel? Y plus 5 possible to cancel. So what is left? Y plus 2 is your answer. This is your answer. Now the next is, again in the same way we will factorize this value divided by m plus 2. Now first we factorize, that is multiply first and last term, that is negative 32 is there. So what we'll do, find a factor of negative 32, that is 16 2s are 32. So here negative 14 is there, so we will keep negative is negative 16 plus 2 gives negative 14. So in place of negative 14, write down negative 16 plus 2, that is write down m square as it is, negative 16 m plus positive 2m minus 32. Make a pair of 2, that is m square minus 16m plus 2m minus 32. Now from first two term what is common? M. So from m square, if I take m as a common, so inside the bracket m minus 16 will left. Then from 2m minus 32, 2 is common, so inside the bracket m minus 16 will left. Now both the bracket have same factor, so write down m minus 16 in one bracket, and uncommon factor, that is m plus 2, write down in another bracket. Now next we have to divide this m square minus 14m minus 32 by m plus 2. So in place of this we will write it factorized value, that is m minus 16 m plus 2, just now whatever we found over here. Then divided by m plus 2. So if you see m plus 2 possible to cancel, to cancel it, what is left? M minus 16. Now the next is 5p square minus 25p plus 20. Now divided by p minus 1. The first term, if we see, that is first term into last term, that is 5 20 is 100, and factor of 100 is 25. If we see, in place of negative 25, write down negative 20 negative 5, that is minus 20 minus 5 give minus 25. Now rest of the value as it is. Then make a pair of first two term and last two term, and take out that 5 as a common, 5p as a common, so inside the bracket p minus 4 will left, and from this the negative 5 is common, so p minus 4. Why I had taken minus 4? Because here it is positive 20, the minus into minus, that is minus 5 into minus 4 gives minus positive 20, minus 5 into minus 4 gives positive 20. So now both the bracket have common factor, that is 5p minus 4, write down in one bracket, and in another bracket 5p minus 5. Now here in this further, if we see 5 as a common, to take out that 5 as a common, now write down p minus 5 as it is, 5 as a common, so inside the bracket p minus 1. Now as we all know, we have to divide this whole value that is 5p square minus 25p plus 20 by p minus 1. So in place of this we will write its factorized value, that is this, that is p minus 4 into 5 in bracket p minus 1 divided by p minus 1. So p minus 1 will get cancelled. So what will left? 5 into p minus 4. Let us say sum number 4. 4yz in bracket z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2yz plus 8. So if you see, write on the factor of 4yz, that is 2 into 2 into y into z in bracket z square plus 6z minus 16. Now if you observe, now see here, first cancel whatever is possible divided by 2y in bracket x plus y, z plus 8. Now here 2 and y is possible to cancel it. Now what is left? 2z in bracket z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by y plus z. Now if we see, first term and last term are a perfect square, but here it is a negative. So find out the factor of 16. So 16 is, as we all know, 2 8s are 16. So see here, what I did, find the factor of 16, that is 2 8s are 16, but here it is a negative 16. So what we will do, we want a positive 6 over here. So we will keep this 8 as a positive and 2 as a negative, that is 2 8s are 16, that is negative 16. So value is negative 16, but here when we will do addition or subtraction, that is 8 minus 2, it gives positive 6. So now here 2z, as we saw that from this 2z is left, and in place of z square plus 6z minus 16, write down, split the middle term, that is in place of 6z write down 8z minus 2z and minus 16 as it is, divided by z plus 8. Now make a pair of first two term and last two term, write down this 2z as it is. Now from this first two term z is common, so inside the bracket z plus 8, and from this 2 is common, so z plus 8, y plus 8, because here negative 2 is there, so negative into positive gives negative result, that is negative 2 into positive 8 is negative 16 divided by z plus 8. So see, divided by z plus 8, so from this z plus 8 possible to cancel. Here see, common term, that is both the bracket have common term, so I had written in one bracket, and the uncommon term I had written in another bracket. Now divided by z plus 8, so here z plus 8 possible to cancel, so what is left? 2z in bracket z minus 2. Is 5pq in bracket p square minus q square divided by 2p p plus q. So find out the factor of 5pq, that is 5 into p into q. Here 5 into p into q divided by 2 into p, that is now see p square minus q square. Now here we will apply the identity, that is p square minus q square, that is p plus q and p minus q divided by p plus q. Now here see, whatever possible to cancel it, that is p and p will get cancelled, p plus q will get cancelled. So what is left? 5 into q in bracket p minus q divided by 2. Now the next one, 12xy in bracket 9x square minus 16y square divided by 4xy in bracket 3x plus 4y. Now here in place of 9x square minus 16y square, I will use the identity, that is 3x minus 4y and 3x plus 4y divided by 4xy in bracket 3x plus 4y. So if we observe, write down the factor of 12xy, that is 3 into 4 into x into y, and if we see, 4 will get cancelled, x will get cancelled, y will get cancelled, and here 3x plus 4y will get cancelled. So what is left? This 3 and 3x minus 4 will left. This is your answer. Now the next is let us see next sum, 39y cube in bracket 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square in bracket 5y plus 7. 39, write down the factor of 39, that is 3 into 13, and in place of y cube, that is y into y, and from this 2 is common, so 2 is the highest common factor. 2, if you write 2 as a common, so what will left inside the bracket? 25y square minus in place of 98 49 divided by a factor of, in place of 26y square, write down 2 into 13 y into y, and 5y plus 7 as it is. Then see, whatever possible to cancel, 13 will cancel, y and y. Now here what is left? 3y here. Now see, here you have to apply the identity, that is 25y square minus 49. In place of 25y square minus 49, write down 5y plus 7 and 5y minus 7 and 2 as it is. Then divided by 2, 5y plus 7. So here what is possible to cancel? 5y plus 7 will get cancelled and 2 will get cancelled. What is left? 3y in bracket 5y minus 7.